Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I want to show you how we can use snippets. Now, snippets are a great way to improve the speed of your coding. Effectively, we take the same standard functionality of prompt, i.e. the code suggestions, and we take it to the logical next step, taking whole fragments of code that are frequently written or run and encoding them into what we call snippets. So a great example of a snippet is I want to create a stored procedure. So I'm going to use a particular snippet called CP. You'll see that come up here. So if I hit CP and then enter, I'm going to hit a template of a stored procedure. Then I can just start naming my stored procedure. You'll notice that I was instantly taken to the correct location to start typing. Again, just to speed that up further. I'll hit enter again, and once again my cursor is taken to the next logical place for me to start writing. For the body of this stored procedure, I can then put in another snippet. So I'm going to use SSF or select star from, hit enter, and then I'm going to finish this off by adding in the contacts from the suggestion list. So you can see I've now got a complete stored procedure, fairly basic, but still written in very few button presses. If I want to manage those snippets, then I can go into the SQL Prompt options and specifically to the snippets section. From this screen, I can look to add in a new snippet or generally delete old ones. And I can look to save these to a specific location, which allows me to share these snippets around my team or organization. If I want to manage these in detail, if I open them up, I can edit them, look to modify what the code does, and I can also add in cursor locations as well. Okay, so that's a quick overview of what snippets can do and how they can be useful to help you write your code. I hope that was useful.